I got my lashes done.
I eat it every time I come.
His baby girl.
Minis.
Oh. Just good. Hi guys, we're starting another vlog. I'm having some like allergies. Like I feel like got sick a little bit from the smog that's in the air. But this happened when I lived in Korea too. So I feel like it's just something that I'm gonna have to get over. But Dad and I are about to go run some errands. We are gonna go to the mall. We're gonna go eat dak galbi for dinner. There's like a Korean dak galbi place that like they cook it traditionally in front of you. I'm so excited. I love dak galbi. That's my favorite Korean food. So I'm really excited. I do need some sneakers because I'm doing a motorbike class in a couple weeks. And just some other things like that. I want to go to the K-pop store because New Jeans just terminated their contract with Adore, so I need a freaking album from them. I need to go get one, so we're gonna go to the K-pop store. Also, yesterday I got my lashes done. Oh my gosh, like look at these. They are stunning. And then I also got my toes done. But can you guess, like I tip these people so much because they deserve it. They work so hard and it's like not expensive at all for me to give them this money. So I really just like try and give as much money as I can whenever I get services done. So I got my toes done and got my lashes done, and they were both with like nice tips, $20, like 20 US dollars. So like give people here as much money as you can. Like I got a Thai massage for 2 hours the other day and it was $17 with tips. So it's like, guys, tip them if you ever come to Thailand. This is the parking lot of bikes. So this is where you park your bike when you come to the mall.
What is it? This is Japanese ice cream. Did you try it when you were in Japan?
No.
Did you see it in Japan?
Yeah. But no one was going to it like they could here.
Ah.
It's like completely freaking empty.
Okay. Well, let's try it and see if it's good. Yeah. You what?
I eat it every time I come.
Ah, that has a big sweet taste. What did you say was downstairs that you also like to eat? The pancake. What kind?
Oh, the souffle pancake.
Look how pretty the Christmas decorations are. What the heck? I kind of want the swirl one.
You can get it.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Free tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
I'm trying to get payment.
It's so good. Oh, K-pop stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's right here. Yay, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the album I decided to get because it's in collab with that Japanese artist, and this is the most recent album they came out with, so I'm really excited. This is what the food court looks like. Each one of these stalls has different food that you can buy.
This was why I was gonna get baby girl.
Who's baby girl?
Millie's.
Oh. Aw. That's so sweet.
It's like a liver pate.
Oh, nice. Yeah, she'll love that. She ate some of my fried chicken last night and she loved it. Of course.
This is pepper's too spicy.
No, just the regular one.
I think it's this one.
Mayonnaise.
From Europe.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Is it the best? Is it better than Duke's mayonnaise?
No, I get the kid.
Is it better than Duke's mayonnaise?
Duke's mayonnaise. I get the wasabi kipwi.
Oh, the Kewpie mayo?
It is ridiculous.
Is it not
I
too
say
spicy?
with the no, it's just so flavorful. I thought it was gonna be spicy, so I never got it. I was like, it's 50 baht. Let me just get it. It's a small thing. I'm addicted. I have crackers, or instead of using crackers, I use cucumber, and I put some of this really good meat on there, some onion, some garlic, and then the wasabi kipwi, and eat those like before I make my meal.
Mmm. Slay. There's the wasabi mayo. Ah. Yeah, let's see if they'll take us. It's kind of late. What happened?
Same thing that happens in Korea.
It's too close to closing, so they turn you away. I'll eat either one. Barbecue or shabu. Barbecue or shabu. Ugh, my allergies have made my voice like, oh my gosh, do you hear that? That is crazy. I was talking to my dad a lot tonight, and I've taken allergy meds, and I'm taking an anti-inflammatory. That's one cool thing about Thailand, or just like Asia in general. If you're having symptoms, you can just go to the pharmacist and be like, hey, this is how I feel, and those give you medication right as you walk in. They'll be like, what do you need? And you can take whatever you need and go. So that's really nice. Okay, so this is the album that I got. The New Jeans, Supernatural, and Right Now. So this was the album that they most recently came out with, or it's like an EP. I don't know. It only has 2 songs. But then this collab This is artwork from a collab with a guy in Japan. So I'm really excited. Yay. I felt like this one was a good one to get just because it's like the newest one. Okay. It's so cute on the inside. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open the bag. I've never opened one of these before. Okay. This is the little bag. I got the purple color because I love purple. I thought it was cute. Oh, it's like a little bag. It comes with a little string. And then, who did I get? Oh my gosh. A Minji! I got Minji. Oh my gosh. Our fearless leader. Our fearless leader. Oh my gosh, Minji, we love you. You're so beautiful. Supernatural right now. New jeans, Minji. So cute. And then I got her little booklet. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has tons of pictures. Can you see it? Is it not? It has tons of pictures of her. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Minji, I love her. I was like hoping, Danielle is my favorite, so I was hoping I was gonna get Danielle. But I love Minji, especially after everything that's happened with them. I'm so proud of Minji for standing up and being such a good leader for them. I really am so happy that I get to support them. And Kat and I went to the only New Jeans show that they've ever had in America, which was at Lollapalooza last year. And it was the best experience ever because that was my first K-pop show. And it was with Kat and it was at Lollapalooza for my first year, and that's just like so cool. So this is what the front of it looks like. So New Jeans is like my favorite. I obviously love Blackpink, but I love New Jeans so much because they're just like my first group that I've ever like learned about and stuff, and I got to see them live. So this is what the little CD looks like. Ah, I'm so happy. I love it. Wait a second. I didn't even know that there were like these little cards in here. I think these are all gonna be Minji. Oh yeah, they're all Minji. She's so pretty. Like, look at that. Look at her. She's such a stunner. Oh my gosh. Yay. Okay, I'm trying something new, so I want to try it on camera with you guys. So this is vermicelli noodles with cilantro and fried garlic. I have a lady that sells me fruit, but she also has all of this food that I don't know what it is. But my landlord is so sweet and she helped me order and like figure out what to try. So this is northern curry, northern Thai red curry. You're gonna have tons of these rubber bands, so I have like a whole stack of them. But everything comes in like little baggies for to go. Okay. Ah, okay, I got only out just a little bit. Okay, I'm pretty sure, so this is like chicken liver, and there's like beef and pork in it and stuff too. And then it comes with all these veggies. I'll have to clean this up, but there's bean sprouts and cabbage. And then she also gave me pickled veggies at the bottom. So I think that's like gonna help cut some of the spicy. So I think I'll eat these separate as I'm eating it. And then she gave me these chilies on the side, but I don't know if I'll need them. Okay, so let's try the soup first. It's delicious, of course. Let's try the noodles. That's good. Found these Mentos at the store. They're orange Fanta. They're so good. I love that you can always find different kinds of Mentos in Asia.